Getting in breaking news now of an emergency meeting that was conducted in Gujarat. The Gujarat Chief Minister chairing that meeting. These are the pictures coming in. These are the pictures, first pictures in fact of the emergency meeting that was held on Omicron. Details on the screen. We're getting you the details. The Chief Minister of Gujarat reviewing the protocols that are being taken in the state of Gujarat. There may be new protocols that could be announced. Let me go across to Priyanka joining us with the details. Those are the first pictures. Priyanka, what more can you tell us?
Niranjan, this high-level meeting that is going on, it is being chaired by the Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel, in fact, along with all the health secretaries and several collectors across the state as well. Specifically, the collector of Jamnagar, who has had a telephonic conversation with Bhupendra Patel as well earlier, because there is one case that has been detected positive for Omicron, who was in fact a passenger who had travelled from Zimbabwe to Jamnagar, and then he had been kept into isolation, after which his COVID-19 test results had been sent for, which had come out positive. And today morning we have gotten to know that it has also tested positive for the Omicron variant as well. Now the next plan of action that is being taken by the local authorities in Jamnagar is to contact trace and find out all the other passengers who were on board of this plane that had come from Zimbabwe and had landed in Jamnagar. There were at least 9 other people who were travelling along with this one passenger. All of them have fortunately tested negative for COVID-19. This passenger was the only one that had tested positive. But in this high-level meeting, Niranjan, there is a significant importance that is being put on the 3 T's, that is of tracing, testing and treatment. This is the mantra that the government of Gujarat in fact is going to own with respect to the Omicron variant that has now made its way in Gujarat, and they're trying to make sure that other passengers that had come from international flights are not affected by it, and that's why they're going to be first tracing all of the passengers that had come on board of this flight from Zimbabwe to Jamnagar. They will also be looking at the intra-district travelling that has taken place of these passengers, and the Chief Minister himself has also had a meeting with the collectors and have told them to make sure that they also carry out the tracing and they carry out the COVID testing as aggressively as possible as well. And now with respect to the Omicron variant, of course, at airports they have already applied all these guidelines of keeping the international passengers in quarantine and then sending them for COVID-19 test, a mandatory RT-PCR test that is required, and of course if the COVID-19 has come positive from these countries, specific countries, they will be sending it for further testing for the Omicron variant as well. But as of now, this meeting, the 3 T's that is being talked about to make sure that across the state there is a contact tracing, there is testing, and the treatment of course should be made available for the patients that are testing positive for this COVID-19 in particular and the variant as well.
Right. Priyanka, thank you for joining us with those inputs.